So you've used it for a few, I mean, you've got a bunch of different uses. One is you've used it to connect with people at shows. You just held a contest recently where you let people from the Twitter sphere audition to be on your next record using BubbleTweet. Tell us about that. What was that like?
Well, BubbleTweet is, it was 30 seconds. It started off with 30 seconds. And I know, like, we bug you because we're always calling you and asking you what's the newest technology because we're always trying to push it forward. And now, actually, we get 60 seconds on BubbleTweet. The reason why BubbleTweet was important, the first thing is there's a lot of frauds on Twitter. So then they started calling me the Twitter police because I started finding frauds. And BubbleTweet is important because it's like you post up and you're like, okay, yeah, this is the real Wyclef and I'm at so-and-so. So what we did with BubbleTweet was we have a single coming out. It's out there. It's called More Bottles. If you research on Twitter, you will see when I started writing those lyrics. Because I started running out of words and I had block and I was like, yo, give me different metaphors for the word more bottles. And I was just getting more metaphors. Like people was just sending metaphors. Not that I used any of their metaphors because I don't want to get sued or anything. You know, somebody would be like, yo man, I was at the Twitter conference. Where my publishing, man? But we held this competition with these fans, and we said that the winners will come to Platinum Sound Studios, which is our studio. Each winner will get to record their own version of More Bottles with me. Then we'll put it back. We'll shoot it. Each version we'll shoot back. Then we'll post it back on a Twitter as a Twitter video. So the fans are so connected. I said every 100,000 fans, loyal fans we get to will do something. So this was 200,000, and now we're headed for 300,000 in a couple of days. But what's funny was, for 200,000, people was like, yo, are you gonna take care of the tickets and all that? I said, are you out your freaking mind, man? I said, for 200,000, y'all gotta get to New York. The only thing I'm gonna get y'all is some pizza, and I'm gonna provide this studio, you know what I mean? And it's still, it's still incredible, that kind of communication and the idea of grinding. And it's sort of like, what's cool about that is Puffy does that MTV thing, Making of the Band.
Yeah.
And now I like this because it's a little more raw. Right. It's not like commercialized, it's really like just direct in the sense of the fans. Like, I'm not gonna send you to Brooklyn for a cheesecake. You come there, but the cool thing about that is they are gonna come to New York, and so y'all get a chance to look at the Twitter competition of More Bottles on the BubbleTweet and pick your favorites.
Nice. So how does